Yeah, peeps. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach the young artists them and the young producer like myself how to make a album cover. So where you want to go now? You want to go search. And you type in poster my wall. So go Google, type in poster my wall. When you type in poster my wall, it's gonna bring you to the website. You sign up with either your Facebook or your Google account. So you're going to poster my wall. You want to go new design. New design. And then you go create from scratch. There's a lot of way where you can do it, but I do it this way. Now you want to find the size for your album cover. So I'm going to type it in, which is 16 width, 16 height. And the reason why you want to do this, you want when you distribute your music with the distributor, you have the correct size for your photo, for your album cover, sorry. Now I'm going to use a transparent background. And the reason for this, more if you can use any picture I'm find. And the reason for say that, I'm going to go Google, now I'm going to go Unsplash. Unsplash you can get a lot of photos, so we're going to search for something what we can use for do this. So alright, can use this. Let's try this. Let's try this. Also, let's try this. No more than one choices. So I'm gonna go back to poster my wall. I'm gonna go upload. Sorry, the picture that just download. So go upload, go download, and find the picture. What me download, I want to use. I think I like it one of the car, so I'm gonna go look for the one of the car. So go upload photo, go download, and then search for that specific picture. Upload. So it'll load. So now we can pull it. When we use a transparent background, we can pull it all over the screen. So I'm gonna cover all of the transparent background section with the picture. And this is my way how I do it. Probably enough people don't do it this way, but this way I realize I can get away with more, you know. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go text. I'm gonna go put my record label now as an example. So use mine as an example. You can use whatever. No, I'm gonna stretch it and size it up. Alignment. So I'm gonna align it, put it in the middle, and then me move it and put it, you know. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go back to font. I'm gonna change my font to something more likable with me like, or something I used before in the past. And just search through all of these fonts. Some nice cool fonts. Alright, so use this. So now I'm find a font, I'm gonna size it down, the wording. Yeah. I use about 19. And then I go space it out, make it look more presentable. Yeah. So now I go add my logo. Size it up. Now I go add the name of the rhythm, which I don't have a name, but I just find something. Use the white color to get a brighter, you can see what you do more clear. So this is the name of the rhythm. So I'm gonna find a font, alignment, and then find a font. Go back, line it up. Yeah, it kind of look better this. So I change the font. I don't like the font there. Yeah, I record this. I'm doing record this. So now I go in at the settings and I change the size of the word, make it more upfront, And then now I'm gonna put some shadow on it. So I'm gonna go for the strong shadow. Yeah, more presentable. Alright, so carry this down a little bit. Alright, so I'm add in the next word, which is a dancehall instrumental. So put it on the white color and we type. Same thing, let's line it up. Choose a font way. Like, what I think look good with this. Font, alright, I'm trying this one. Yeah, those look simple and neat. I'll size it up again. Okay. Alright, that look good. So one more thing. Let me say I'll cover to this thing upon it. So I'll just dash upon them I would see me. Alright, see search and find. Good. And you dash that it out of the corner them same way. Good. So now, yeah, I go bounce it out, I go download it. And then now check the size. That no, this size wrong, so it's a 900 by 900. You want 16 times 16, so size. Search, look if we find album cover. Search, no. Alright, so I'm just type in album cover and see if I can find it faster. Yes, 16 times 16 resize. Now download. And we'll check the size. So we have 16 times 16. Download. Alright, so we have a picture we can use on the distribution thing. So there you have it. The album cover. Yeah. So I got the next video. I'm gonna do a audio video coming next.